Having a dog is somewhat similar to raising a child. There are things you must avoid in order to assure that your dog is living happily with you. Check out the 10 things that you should never ever do to your dog. Some may seem harmless, but each time you do them, you put your pup's emotional or physical health at risk. Your dog will never learn what is right and wrong if you smother them with affection even when they have done something terribly wrong. Leaving your dog alone in the car puts him or her at risk of getting stolen. Not to mention the deadly consequences of an overheating car in seemingly mild temperatures, even with the windows cracked. If you can't bring your dog with you wherever you are going, leave him or her at home. Treats are a great way to motivate good behavior, but if you overdo it, you could be putting your dog's health at risk. It's recommended that dog gets their teeth brushed daily. Many dogs suffer from diseases and tooth infections that go untreated. So at the very least, make sure that your vet checks your dog's teeth once a year. Each dog breed has its own specific need for a collar. Dogs with a shorter knots can be seriously injured with a collar that only goes around the neck and need to be controlled by a harness instead. When you take your dog for a walk, don't let yourself become the one being walked. This can lead to them accidentally running into traffic or a number of other dangerous or untruly behaviors. Sharing food with your canine companion can be okay on some occasions, but make sure that what you are feeding him or her is not dangerous or deadly, like chocolate or meat on the bone. A newspaper to the nose will only diminish the bond between you and your dog. Hitting a dog in any way as form of punishment will lower his or her confidence and make the poor pup more likely to lash out later. If you want your dog to be obedient about getting into the crate when it's bedtime or when you have to step out, never ever use it as punishment. Yes, this is a very common mistake of humans. Even if a dog does not understand your language, they do understand your emotions. Dog can read human emotions and facial expressions. A dog emotion is similar with humans. They can feel happiness, loneliness, anger, anxiety, or even pain. So if you love your dog, better handle your dog's emotion or feelings with care.